Welcome back to my channel. This is Kushal GT. Today we have the Alfa Romeo 4C Spider from Majorette. So this is from the basic series of the Majorette car lineup. So this comes in this nice, beautiful cherry red kind of color, and let's unbox this. So I see that many of you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please do subscribe. It is free for you and it does help me reach more collectors just like you watching this video. Okay, nice. This is, Majorette car blisters, okay, are very hard to open. These are really the premium quality blisters that Majorette uses. These don't cut easily and neither do they deform easily. So with that being said, the 4C Spider is out of the blister, and look at that cute little car. Oh, this is amazing. Wow, look at that. So we have plastic inserts for the headlamps. We have painted front grille. There is, however, a small mismatch in painting. Look at that. Just a sec. You can see there's a small error here. So the Alfa Romeo logo has been misplaced by just 1 or 2 millimeters here and there. But yeah, the headlamps look very gorgeous. We have beautiful black interiors. We have a flat bottom steering wheel in this one. That is amazing. We have painted section on the roof that depicts the convertible version of this car, and we have some black inserts here as well. Coming to the rear, we have the Alfa Romeo logo, and as this car is basically red, so these tail lamps are painted and are matching, or looks like it has not been painted because of the red color. So yeah, that's there. So we have 2 exhausts on the either end, and coming to this side we have the same stock car. I love the wheel choice that has gone with this one. This makes it look even more beautiful and desirable. Coming to the base of the car, it says Majorette, and the scale is 1:57, made in Thailand, and it says Alfa Romeo 4C Spider. It has suspension, no opening parts as such. So let's give it a quick run and see how it rolls. Yes, it rolls like a typical Majorette. A lot of noise actually, nor does it have any wheel wobble in the front or in the back. So this is very beautiful. You can see the wiper details on the front windscreen, and you also see that this is a bit tinted. Very nice. You have the handbrake details, the cup holder detail. Very nice. So the 4C Spider first debuted in the year 2015, and it is known for its performance and sleek design. The 4C Spider is built around a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and uses the same 240 bhp 1750cc engine as the coupe version, delivering a similar performance. So this car has a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. The engine specifications are like 240 bhp, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, 1750cc, 6-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, 0 to 100 kmph in around 4.1 seconds. So that is great. And with that engine and with that carbon monocoque chassis, it makes this car very lightweight and a bit sporty to drive. Coming back to this part of the car, so this is the front grille that has been painted here. I couldn't recall the name So that's been it from this video. I hope you like this casting. I absolutely adore this casting, and it's one of the most beautiful purchases that I've made recently of under 200 rupees. Alright, until next time, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, stay driven. I'll see you guys in the next one.